Here we got week 5 to-do list. First thing here is you have and I don't even have posted yet the link here that you're watching. You got the Unit 2 vocab. This is a quiz next Friday. So this week we have MEA, so you only have class Monday, Tuesday. So this is for next week. You do have to take the elements quiz one time before Tuesday. So either Monday or Tuesday, you got to take the quiz. Okay? And that quiz is actually going into the test category. So review the 40 elements. You'll have a retake next week when you come back. And, that's it. But it is going into the test category. Okay, so this week, if you want to, you need to retake the test. Okay? I will have that available today and tomorrow. So if you want to retake the test, you can do it. You get one attempt on your retake. I'll take your best score up to 90%. Okay, up to 90%. So you got 75 the first time, and retake got 95, you get a 90. At 75, you got an 85, you got 85, right? Must be done by Tuesday at 3 p.m. Okay, at 3 p.m. At home activity, you're doing this lab at home. There's a complete how to complete it. It's a download lab, that type of thing. In class activity, we're doing something where we're coloring the periodic table. If you're a distance learner, you're doing both things at home. And then this periodic table worksheet is just a way for you to use your worksheet to see what types of questions you're expected to know. All right, that's our week 5 walkthrough. Let me know if you have questions.